All right, guys, so we have a new scooter. Yep, right there, new scooter. And this one's a little bigger than our old one. I think a little longer, which is kind of nice. I'm just putting this camera on here. This is my hopes that it goes on there without too much hassle. And it's not wanting to stay. Not wanting to stay. This grip is not going as planned, you know? Right? It's wobbly. Do I trust that? I don't know if I do. Maybe I'm just gonna hold it, which is a little scary too at the same time, right? Because I'm not overly good at doing this with the old one hand. If I just kind of lean that there, maybe. Anyways, here's some clips. We got it just the other day, and as you can see, it's a good size, right? Good size. Not much to do to put it together. Really, you put the handlebar section in to the top, you unfold it, and that's kind of it. So let's try not to crash. Try not to crash. I'm gonna turn this on. All right. And the big bonus of this one, from what I've heard, now take it as you will, is that I'm just gonna kind of sit it somewhere here like this, I think, is that it's supposed to do inclines pretty good, right? So we'll just kind of turn it on, I guess. Ready? All right, folks, here we go. So the key is seeing if this will actually be able to go up hills. That's the key. So here's a hill here. Ready? It says 20 degrees. This is beyond 20 degrees. And it is having issues right here. But this is higher than 20 degrees for sure. This is at least, I'd say, a 30, maybe 40 degree incline. But we're moving 6 kilometers an hour. This is living the dream right here. All right, so let's see if we can turn. Brake. You ready? Okay. But if you give it a push, she's helpful. And I don't know what gear I'm in. I think there's 2 gears. There's brake. Okay, good. And I think if you tap this, she'll go, maybe that's 2. Well, we'll see on a straightaway just to see how fast we can go, because it seems to have 2 gears. Sure, maybe I should have read the instructions, but I don't want to. Ready? All right, 23, 24, 30 kilometers an hour. I'm at 30. That's not too bad. All right, so let's just kind of go up here. No cars. You're probably just hearing wind noise. Construction up here. Let's spin around. Now the other way, we're gonna have a hill. So this is a hill here. But let's go up my little hill, because that's probably closer to a 20 degrees. Let's just see here. Ready? You guys can see maybe the hill from here. I don't think I'll hit 30, maybe. Let's see. 26, 27, 28, 27. And I think I got my cruise on, yeah, because you have to just hold it for 8 seconds and the cruise turns on. Will she make it this? Well, and you gotta remember, I'm 250 pounds. She's gonna make this hill. I'm a little surprised, actually. At 16 kilometers an hour. That's not too bad, right? And you'll see she's picking up speed. 18. I'm not going to go down the hill, but I am going to go into my driveway. Ready? Boom. Okay, that's not too bad. I'm figuring it out, right? Okay, so I just want to make sure that it's hard to tell here by this. I got things flashing. What mode I'm in. I'm guessing. See that? I'm not sure what mode that is. I don't know. And then you go into this one, which is 1, and then 2. So you get an orange and a red, right? My guess is that red's the faster of the two, and orange is the slower of the two, is my guess. Because you would think you'd go like a push assist or something. Then you get into 1, which is like slower mode. Well, let's try, shall we? We shall. All right, so this is in number 1, and let's see if I get above that speed again. I'm curious, because I should be able to go fast. Nope, 25. See, and in number 2 I hit 30. All right, so if I hit this again, click 2, you get a bit higher speed. So that's about it. I don't feel it accelerates quicker, right? But it does have a higher top end, if that makes sense. And she climbs this hill not too bad. And I would think if my wife was riding this, she'd be able to go even faster because, well, she's less. And if my daughter was on this, even faster, right? So we'll do this. Ready? And spin, 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 spin. All right, here we go. We'll hit that 30. Ready? See? 29, 30. Boom, she hits it. Right? And then, theory, I should stop. But there's nothing coming. I want the speed. Here we go. This hill is the one that kind of gives you a bit of issue. But what am I going to hit at the top? My guess is like 15, 17, 16. I'll just kind of help it along. 15, 16. There's a car coming up behind me, so I'm going to get in the other lane. Ready? Like so. But it made it up the hill, so I'm pleased. We'll even, ready? Okay, we're going to cut this. I don't want to cut it too hard. Okay, and will it make it up this hill? Our hill's a killer. It's definitely taller than 20 degrees. Come on. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Yeah, boom. Did it. All right, that's cool. I like it. You know, and I'm a bigger guy. And what you'll see is that, I don't know if you can notice it, there's a light on the back, and when I hold my brake, the light comes on. That's cool. I like that. Brakes are good. I may actually just try to inflate the tires a bit more. They feel a little squishy. Not bad. But I also like, I don't know if you guys can see it. You may. It's got, ready, I'll just stand on it here. But it's got a shock inside it, which is also really cool. And check it out. It's got a little LED light down there. Oh yeah. So you can be awesome at nighttime. All right, guys. You know what? I'll put links to this. If you're someone that lives on flat surface, you'll even a big guy can ride this, no issue. If you're someone that's smaller, I would say like 200 or less, you could easily do some fairly good sized hills for sure. I'm 250, and I was easily, I won't say easily, but I was definitely going up 20, 25, 30% grades. So yeah, that's okay. That's all right. All right, guys, I'm going to leave it there. Links down below to this because it is pretty cool. All right, guys, that's it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you guys next video. Later. Wheel speed. It's really fast. Oh, I shouldn't have said that. Shouldn't have said that.